GBC-713H Intelligent battery-operated hydraulic crimping tool. Hexagonal debt-free crimping. No crimping depth required. 130 newtons. Easy crimping. 10 to 300 square millimeters. Copper terminals. 10 to 240 square millimeters. Aluminum terminals. Automatically judge the diameter of the terminal. Automatically calculate the compressed data. Automatic stop. Automatic pressure holding. Automatic coil return. The crimping data is uploaded on the background server, and the historical crimping data can be queried through a computer or a smartphone.